Did you know Europe generates 100 million tons of textile waste yearly, with a recycling rate of only 1%? Digital product passports become mandatory, but are only useful if claims are verifiable. With cryptographic verification, manufacturers cannot greenwash. Consumers can validate sustainability claims on-chain, and recyclers can confirm material composition and unlock consumer rewards. Our team created a transparent supply chain with tamper-proof history, from raw materials to manufacturing, all the way to end-of-life recycling for the IOTA Masterz hackathon.
Manufacturers can create a new DPP on-chain, give it a unique ID, select material composition, and add flexible product metadata for the upcoming regulations. They can lock a recycling reward and assign proof. A unique QR code gets generated. The consumer can scan the QR code on the t-shirt label or select an old one from his wardrobe. He can inspect the verified metadata, add a public address, and possibly transfer second-hand ownership by adding the buyer's address. He marks it end of life, approves, voila, and get a message. Then he brings his old t-shirt to the recycling center. There they verify the QR, check the material, and sign to unlock the reward for the customer. The recycler can also inspect the registry to see a scan of all the minted stock with the statuses. The reward is released now for the consumer, and everything can be checked online. Thanks to IOTA and Masterz for the month-long guidance, and Stefanos and Omar for the awesome teamwork.